Before we start coding, we need a tool that makes programming easier and more productive. This tool is called an IDE, an Integrated Development Environment. So, what does an IDE actually do? First, it's like a smart notebook for writing code, full of helpful features. It colors your code so it's easier to read. It shows you your mistakes as you type. Sometimes, it even suggests what you should write next. And it lets you run your program directly. No need for command lines. All these features help you code faster, easier, and with fewer errors. And for C#, the best IDE is Visual Studio, powerful, professional, and perfect for beginners too. Now, let's install Visual Studio. Open your browser and search Visual Studio, or go to visualstudio.microsoft.com and scroll down to download the Community Edition. It's 100% free and perfect for beginners. Enterprise and professional versions offer extra features, but we don't need them for now. During setup, select the .NET Desktop Development workload. This allows us to create desktop and console apps with C#. Other options are for mobile, game, or web development. We'll skip those for now. Once the installation is complete, open Visual Studio and click on Create a New Project. To begin, choose Console App as your project type. As you saw in this session, we successfully installed Visual Studio and created our very first project. In the next video, we'll explore the different parts of a C# project and understand how everything fits together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next lesson. See you soon!